Auto Receptionist and Cloud Queue are two amazing Commander phone features that can improve your business and present a great impression to your customers. An Auto Receptionist provides callers with a choice of options that will direct calls to where they are best served in your business. For example, press 1 for sales, 2 to pay an invoice, or 3 to speak to customer service. This presents a professional image for your business and saves you time answering calls just to transfer them to some other person or department to get to where they want. We'll also go through Cloud Queue, which can prevent calling customers from getting a busy or engaged tone, and instead play a recording, which you can use to promote your business or offers to on-hold callers. You can use Auto Receptionist to answer your phone, play your personalized greeting, and then direct callers to different users or departments. To access your Auto Receptionist, select the option from the Group Services pane on your dashboard. There are 3 main activities to consider when updating your Auto Receptionist: Profile, Business Hour menu, and After Hour menu. The first thing to do is set up your Auto Receptionist profile. Click Profile from the left-hand pane, and start by naming the service. You can also give a name to the CLID, or calling line identifier. Your Auto Receptionist will have a number assigned by default, but this can be changed once you've set up your service. Your Auto Receptionist can handle incoming calls differently at different times, including where your calls go during business hours, after hours, or when your business is closed for a holiday. You can define your business hours and holidays by customizing schedules, which can be accessed by selecting Schedules from the dashboard. For more information about how to create and customize schedules, see the Command Central Admin Guide on our support page. The Business Hours menu is where options are defined for Auto Receptionist during business hours. You can create an action by clicking the plus button, choosing a key for the caller to press, selecting an action, and assigning a number for the caller to be forwarded to. This can be an internal or external number to your business. You can also edit these details simply by clicking the action you want to edit. The After Hours menu is identical in how you set it up. You can also add a personalized greeting to customize your caller experience. Select Business Hour menu, click the Settings button, click the Add button, and then choose your audio file. You can repeat the same steps for the After Hours menu, which will configure your Auto Receptionist for after hours operations. When you're happy with how your Auto Receptionist is set up, you can then activate it simply by pressing the Active toggle. Then you can test it out by calling the associated number. Every call is important to the success of your business. We spend valuable time and money driving calls to our business, only to find out that some callers get the busy signal, especially during peak business hours. Cloud Queue is here to help. Cloud Queue lets you queue incoming calls in the Commander Cloud until you're available to answer them. And you can upload music or messages to play to waiting callers. Cloud Queue also distributes the calls to any users or agents that you assign to the queue. To set up your Cloud Queue, simply click Cloud Queue from the Group Services pane. You'll see one or more Cloud Queues already configured, and you'll also see temporary Commander phone numbers allocated to each of your Cloud Queues. This is so you can configure and make test calls without impacting customers. We recommend you change the Cloud Queue temporary number to your main customer number. This will most likely be the phone number already allocated to your complimentary Hunt group. To learn more about Hunt groups, see our Administrator Guide in our Resource Center. You can change your Cloud Queue to suit the way you want incoming calls to be managed and distributed across your business. The Agents page allows you to specify who is allocated to the Cloud Queue to take calls. Announcements allow you to change an assortment of messages that your callers will hear, including entrance messages to greet your callers, waiting messages to inform them they're in a queue, comfort messages to assure them you're getting to their call, overflow messages to deal with extended wait times, and music on hold to play while they wait. There are a number of different ways your Cloud Queue can handle customers when they are waiting in the queue for you, like how many calls can be queued at once. You can change this in the Details page, which you can select from the left-hand pane. We recommend you don't set this higher than double the amount of people you have available to take calls. This prevents long wait times and frustrated customers. Under Routing, You can also customize the overflow settings to set what happens when the queue is full, including what number to transfer to, timings, and when to play the announcement. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you need any other information, feel free to contact our support team, or visit the Resource Center on our website.